Hey golf cart owners, I am sitting on a park bench, a hard, flat park bench, not to be confused with a golf cart seat, because they basically feel the same and have the same level of comfort. That's why I'm proud of Extreme Kartz's Lazy Life seat collection. Here is their premium style seat, the entry-level seat into the Lazy Life collection. With all Lazy Life seat, the bottom cushion is inclined, so it feels natural and lets you sink into the seat. Much more comfortable than your typical golf cart seat. Accent piping, made with superior materials, so they last longer and don't get worn down as easily. Phone pocket holder, headrest, or you can get it without. The stitching is what really makes it pop, with 15 different patterns to choose from, over 50 colors to choose from. The standard material is a soft marine grade vinyl, or you can upgrade to a cool touch fabric, keeping the seat from getting hot to the touch from the sun. Hands down, the most comfortable and stylish golf cart seats on the market, period.